parts for the SS. So we have our Mighty Mouse Wild Catch Can. It's going on the SS to replace the Elite Engineering, whatever it is on that. Then we got some Hendrix Racing offset diff bushings for the 5th gen diff. Hendrix Racing solid cradle bushings for the SS. Then we got a Speedmaster center section because the diff we're going to put back in it, the 327 gear, is broken, so we're replacing the center section. Got new bearings for this diff from GPI, and then a Z01 torque converter. So the converter and this all came from SS only, from Joe. The bearings came from GPI, that came straight from Mighty Mouse, and then these two are Hendrix Racing. So he's on Facebook and he has a website too. I'll link that stuff. And it's going on that car. So you can see it in the bottom of the grill now. It sticks out in the very bottom, plus up top. So, yep, not really anything crazy going on, just have nothing going on right now. But here's a quick little update. Thanks for watching. Well, it's another Saturday morning at 6:30 in the morning, and we're heading to Nigel's. Got some stuff I gotta do, so I'm going to do it up there. I figure I might need help with something. Plus, I'm taking my exhaust to see if he can make it a little better. So we're at the shop, taking the old broke stuff out and putting the new one in. So if you have a 5th gen, these are righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. So don't go zipping your bolts off the wrong way and break them, because I about did that.
Give it a little tappy. Tap, tap, tap-a-roo.
Got the bearings pressed on. Now I'm going to go put it back in the diff, and then it'll go back in the car when I get home. So I'm taking the old bushings out because I got the Hendrix offset bushing, so no more BMR or BRM, whatever it is, bushings. So to torque it down, I put it in the vise and I'm using the soft jaws so it doesn't mess the gear up. But I only got a couple bolts left and it's done. So like always, I'm stupid, so I waited till I put the gear in and got everything good to do the bushing, so you know it's nice and heavy. Should have did this before I put the gear in. So just to recap, got the Hendrix offset bushings for the Camaro diff for the SS. In it we got a limited slip. It's the TorqueWorm, the Speedmaster TorqueWorm one. It's a stock 327 gear. The car currently has a 345 gear, but we're shifting 1 to 2. We're shifting before the 60 foot, and we're at red line, like we're tapped out at going through the traps. So with this plus doing a converter in the car should 60 foot pretty good, and then we'll have more mile per hour in 4th gear, so that's always good. Plus it might get a little bit better miles per gallon now that the car's boosted.
Flashback.
Got the bearings pressed on. Now I'm gonna go put it back in the diff, and then it'll go back in the car when I get home.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
Well, I'm an idiot. I thought I had 5th gen differential bushings here, but I don't. I used them last time I did a diff swap. So I'm gonna order it, and I guess I'll just have Nigel put the differential in when I take the car up there to get solid cradle bushings put in. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. go ahead and click that subscribe button. Subscribe. I can't talk right now. Subscribe. It's down here. Go ahead and click that button if you're not subscribed. And thanks for watching.